And here we have the Makita DDF343, and this one is the first gear is slipping, and it's completely done with the first gear. So what I will do with it, I will open it and deassemble the gear to show you a problem. We can see it's a newer model number because of the black plate here. The old one goes with the white plate, and we can see that the housing is broken it. The motor, of course, full of dust. Now we want to see the gear assy. What we will do for the gear assy, we'll just spin this plate, move it, moving the gears. And now we can start to see the problem. So no gear is here. So normally in case like this, we need to replace the gear assy for the tool, just leaving our chuck. And the easiest way to change it is just to put the socket like this here on the anvil, and it goes out really well. But first of all, we need to get a new gear assy or the housing. We can get the housing, not genuine Makita housing, but the housing made for this one. But as I said, I'm not able to get it anymore because they are made in Russia and sent from Russia, so there's no way I can get it here in Europe, in Lithuania. So that means I need to replace all the gear assy. And I'm back to the video for the assembly of this drill. Got a new gear assy. You can see the Makita part number here. And got a leaf spring, the new one. And I will take the gear assy out, and we have two different types of gear asses for this drill. You can see that here's the black, the cap over the cover, here's the white. I will try to remove the white one and put the black one. Got it fit, and for this I have the problem, the plastic here is broken, and I think I will glue it. As you can see that the gear assy fit good here in the housing. Now we need to, okay, after trying to glue it, I have no luck, so I decided to use the broken parts as a sleeve with a longer screw, and you have holes here for the screw, so we'll try to make it work in that way. Just inserting the leaf spring now. That's our motor, gear assy, and the switch. Now it seems good, so I will put the screws here in the housing. I will put the sleeves on them. And I will try to close the cover by not losing the sleeve. Yep. It seems good. The speed changing works, the backward forward button works. I will take the battery now to turn it on. Yep, works nice and quietly. So now I will take the check. It's open now and just turning the door on a forward mode. Putting the screw here inside, and sometimes we need to release the jaws here, and we can try to do that in a simple way with the Allen key. So now the Allen key is holding the jaws, and we can open them. And screwing the screw with the simple flat screwdriver. Yep, and this drill is in good working order now. Again,